Who wants to do a
Hey guys, welcome
tournament?
back to another video. So today I'm gonna be scamming scammers in Animal Company.
Guys, you catch it, you keep it. You catch it, you keep it.
You scam people in Animal Company?
Come.
So, yeah,
Yo, what's up?
what's up?
You ready, Jed?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Okay. Oh, why didn't they walk? I swear.
Can you do it down there?
Where?
Because like,
Is this?
I don't really like.
No? Okay.
Yeah, sure, I guess.
Okay.
I mean, do you have anything rare? Or
Yeah.
rare?
I got you.
That's not really rare.
Oh yeah. Oh. I have a bag of crates. I don't know which one's Galaxy though. I just started this out. I don't really need it. Galaxy banana.
I'll do that.
Okay.
Alright, put your thing. I want you to put it right here. And then I'm gonna go up there, alright? No, you put yours down there. You scared or something?
Okay.
Coming?
Wait, you told me. Wait, where am I supposed to go?
What?
Where am I supposed to go?
On there?
Over there? Why here?
Why is there? Because no, there's no reason why. Is there a freaking reason why you're scared to do it?
No, I'm not. And, yep, you just got busted. I'm recording.
What do you mean? Who's there?
Oh, yeah, now you're acting a fool now. You're acting like a fool.
Bro, you freaking went down there, and now all of a sudden, like...
Why is it doing that? Wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Hold on. Bruh, there's someone here. I know.
Where?
Okay, let's just straight right here.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. I already have one
like
of these, so I don't care if you see me.
I don't like it. Can I have it then?
Huh?
Can I have it then?
Go trade for it though?
I'll trade a different one. Alright, ready?
Well, actually, I
Alright,
forgot it. I don't have one. Another one.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Now, nigga! Nigga! What is wrong with you?
Yo, go take it now. Yup, and you just got busted. You're definitely scared.
You're just gonna let him get away? You wanna help us?
No, I'm not a scammer. I'm not a scammer. And by the way, you're busted on YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Nice. Hello, YouTube.
Is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, don't do this.
Yeah, do not. you can be reported or like stuff. So, guys, do not do it because people have Discord. Well, I do too.
I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm shivering. What's Discord?
Oh shoot, hold on.
Here, let me try.
Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the video. So yeah, bye.